Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. Today we will discover the date format in the input element settings, specifically using date field. Just as a reference, I'm leaving the default date field on top and we're making changes to the bottom. So let's go to our settings and we can find the date format here. We notice that the default gives us the month, day, and year. Two digits, and 4 digits, but let's go ahead and choose the second option. This one, it allows us to have the day first, month, and year. So let's just take a look. And we're selecting the same date just to better compare. And so again, we notice that the default gives us the month, day, and year, and the other option gives us the day, month, and year. Depending on where you're from, you may have a preference. So I hope this helped.